everyone. Welcome to Simply Pretty Scents. I just received it, my Scentsy consultant box. So I'm all excited and it already smells divine. It smells so pretty in my office. So let's get ready and let's see what's inside, okay? Are y'all excited? I sure am. So I've also, in the comments down below, or I will post my link in case y'all want to order from me. I would really appreciate it. So here we go. It's a beautiful purplish box. And it says, let's get started. This is your starter kit. So I'm assuming there's a bunch of information in here. Welcome to Scentsy Live Consultant Guide. Product training guide, and congratulations on starting your Scentsy business. So let's put that here. Of course, I have a lot of reading to do. I've already been reading up on the internet and the website and such. So let's see. Bubble wrap. Just put that on the floor. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Look at this amazingness. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. I guess these are the scent samples. Oh my goodness. Aw snap dragon. Oh my gosh. You don't even have to open them, but so nice. Clothesline. Oh, that smells so nice. Inhale, exhale. Oh my gosh, you guys. They're all going to be my favorite, right? Let's see. Sun-Kissed Citrus. I believe this is a new scent. Oh my gosh. It smells delicious. So it's in a cute little bag, and I guess this is what we take to parties. So we'll put that there. These are my little notes, you guys. Just put them aside. Let's see what else is in here. I guess these are shopping bags. So when y'all buy your product, I'll put it in here. I'll put it right there. I'm gonna try and put everything on this table. A Scentsy tote bag to carry all my essentials. Let's see. Oh, it's the product list. Spring and summer 2021 product list. It's like a sheet instead of the catalog. Let's see. I'm gonna save the best for last. Some flyers. Every day is your indulgence. Get to the top, get to bottom cleaning. Get top to bottom cleaning. Why couldn't I say that? For all the cleaning information, I guess, of the products. Because a lot of people just think they have warmers and the what do you call it? The bricks. But they also have cleaning, you guys, and laundry. Stain fighting fragrance. Best friends deserve the best. For your pets, you guys, I have items for your pets. Is that not cool? Warmers and wax. Fan, diffuser, pods, and diffuser. I guess this is a little miniature brochure of products. Explore your endless possibilities. This is for someone who wants to sign up under me. I would love to have you. We can learn this together. Okay, and then some thank you cards. Those are pretty. The box is heavy, you guys. Enliven your senses with Scentsy. I don't know, but they're postcards of some sort. And then, what do we have? The order sheets for the parties. Here they are, you guys, the catalogs. Spring, summer 2021 catalogs. If you want one, just message me and I will be more than glad to send you one or drop by and drop one off for you, okay? Beautiful. Okay, now the good stuff. Let's see what they sent as samples. Counter clean. Don't we all use that right now, right? The counter clean. I wonder what it smells like. Oh, it says squeeze the day. So it smells like citrus or lemon, I'm assuming. Let's see what this is. Oh, these are to do scent samples. It's like a little felt. And you dip it in the wax so you can give out scent samples. Cute. What is this? Oh, these are samples of the soaps and different things for your pets. Let me see. Honey and chamomile. Best Bud Suds shampoo for your pet. Lemon verbena dish soap for your dishes. Clothesline laundry liquid. Cool. Clothesline soft scent. I guess maybe that is the, what do you call it? The, not the detergent, but the softener. Hello. Scentsy pineapple coconut vanilla body wash. Hand soap pineapple coconut vanilla. Clothesline washer whiffs. Pretty. Oh my God, they smell amazing. Coconut pineapple, no, pineapple coconut vanilla hand cream. And pineapple coconut vanilla body cream. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Oh, the little bags to put these little scent samples in. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got amazing Amazon Rain. I guess this is for the little pod, right? Here's the little pod. Oh, I got a mint one. Oh my goodness. So one of these little pods goes in this little fan, little diffuser, and it's got a USB cord, and I got the mint one. Isn't that pretty? Put this back in the box. Put that right there. Let me see. This is aloe water cucumber hand soap. Isn't that a cute container? Oh my gosh, so adorable. Oh my goodness. Let me see. I got the Luna. What is this called, you guys? I think this is called a disc. Scent disc. The Luna, I love. That's one of my favorite scents. I love it, I love it. And then I got a bar of the black raspberry vanilla. So I'm gonna be warming this, because you don't have to burn it, it's not a candle, I'll pull it down a little bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got the Buddy Clip Clover the Cow, and the scent is black raspberry vanilla. Let's open it. Oh, it smells so good. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Isn't she adorable? She or he. So cute. And of course, it smells so good. The scent is absolutely fabulous. Maybe I'll leave them out, right? So we'll put the little cow here. And then, you guys, let me move this big box. Here it is. I've got 3 of my own, and they are old ones, you guys, but I love them. They still look like new, but I love them. So this one is called the Classic Curve Gloss Gray. Classic Curve Gloss Gray. There's a light bulb that you have to install yourself. I'll put that back in there. Put that in there. Information on how to use your warmer. Safety precautions. So, let me see, light bulb right here. Save that bubble wrap. Okay, so the light bulb is ready. Here is my warmer, you guys. So there's all the amazing stuff that comes in your kit. Is that not cool? Oh my goodness. So I can't wait to get all of this going. I already have 2 parties lined up. So all excited about that. Aren't y'all? So like I said, you guys, if you need a catalog, let me know. If you want to schedule a party, let me know. We will work with both of our schedules. I know everybody's really busy. We'll use our masks. We'll take all the precautions we need to take. But let me know. Like I said, it's listed right there. Simply Pretty Scents Scentsy.us to order. Or if you need to email me, just do simplyprettyscents@gmail.com, and I'll put it in the link below, okay? So thanks y'all for watching, and I'll be making some more lives. And if you need anything, please let me know.